बोल भक्त वत्सल भगवान की जय। बोल कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की जय। बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। जय श्री राम, जय श्री कृष्ण एवरीवन। Welcome once more to Triveni Mandir Nitya Ravivar Satsang. Let us all join in Mangalacharan as we go into Srimad Bhagavata Mahapuran this morning. Dhyayam sada paribhavagnam bhishtadoham tirthaspadam shiva viranchanutam sharanyam भृत्यार्तिहं प्रणतपाल भवाब्धिपोतं वन्दे महापुरुष ते चरणारविन्दम्। वंशी विभूषितकरान् नवनीरदाभा पीताम्बरादरुणबिम्ब फलादरोष्ठा पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखा दरविन्दनेत्रा कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। गौरांगं रसमयं नित्यं रसाचार्यं रसोत्सुकं श्रीमद्रामहर्षं देवाख्यं सद्गुरुं प्रणमाम्यहम्। जय जय श्री राधारमण, जय जय नवल किशोर, जय गोपी चित चोर प्रभु, जय जय माखन चोर। बोलो कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की, वो राधा वल्लभ भगवान की। मनवाणी को पावन करने के लिए as we purify our minds and our voices, let us join in the bhajan sankirtan to Bhagavan Shri Krishna Chandra Bhagavan. Bol Radha Vallabh Bhagavan ki jay। युगल किशोर हमारे ठाकुर, युगल किशोर हमारे ठाकुर, युगल किशोर हमारे जन्म सदा सर्वदा हम जिनके हैं, सदा सर्वदा हम जिनके हैं। जन्म जन्म घर जाए जाकर, जन्म जन्म घर जाए जाकर, युगल किशोर हमारे ठाकुर, युगल किशोर हमारे ठाकुर। परिहरे न कबहू, चूक परे परिहरे न कबहू, सब ही भांति दया के आकर, सब ही भांति दया के आकर, सब ही भांति दया के आकर, युगल किशोर हमारे ठाकुर, नवल किशोर हमारे ठाकुर। जय श्री भट्ट प्रगट त्रिभुवन में, 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 प्रणतनि पोषत परम सुधाकर, प्रणतनि पोषत परम सुधाकर, युगल किशोर हमारे ठाकुर, युगल किशोर हमारे ठाकुर, प्यारे राधा रमन हमारे ठाकुर, राधा रमन हमारे ठाकुर, प्यारे राधा वल्लभ हमारे ठाकुर, राधा वल्लभ हमारे ठाकुर, प्यारे कुंज बिहारी हमारे ठाकुर, कुंज बिहारी हमारे ठाकुर, ओ गिरधर लाल हमारे ठाकुर, गिरधर नाग हमारे ठाकुर, हमारे ठाकुर। बोलो बांके बिहारी लाल की जय, बोलो कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की जय। एक बार प्रेम से बोलिए जय श्री कृष्ण।
जय श्री कृष्ण।
From Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuran. For the last 2 or 3 Sundays we've been reading to you about the great devotee known as Bhakta Dhruv, the young child in this great line of kings who at a very young age went and performed tapasya to Bhagavan Shri Vishnu, and performing great tapasya, Shri Hari, Shriman Narayan Bhagavan appeared in front of him and blessed him. In the line of Bhakta Dhruv, there was a great king called Raja Ang. Raja Ang was also a great king who was very fair to his people. But the son of Raja Ang, devotees, the son of Raja Ang, uska naam Raja Vain tha. Raja Vain. And Raja Vain was not a very good king. He had a very cruel swabhav, krurta. Cruel means compassion was not there for the ordinary people. He did not have any mercy. And then he started to tell everyone कि मैं ही राजा हूँ तो मैं ही भगवान भी हूँ. I am the king, so I am also God. You should worship me. I come from a great line of great rulers. इस प्रकार के जब राजा मिलते हैं, the question you have to ask yourself is when you have a very bad ruler, when you have a king who does not work in the interests of the people, but he is the most powerful person in the world, तो फिर किसके आश्रय में जा सकते हो? Then whose protection do you go in? Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuran gives us this example. When the king has become corrupt, when the ruler of the land is not able to protect the people, so then the citizens of Prithvi Lok turn to the Brahmins. Santon ke paas gaye. They went to the sages and they asked all of the great sadhus and sants, can you please come and try to explain to Raja Vain to desist from this path of adharam. So all of them came to the Rajya Sabha और बहुत कोशिश भी किए, but Raja Vain did not listen to anyone. In fact, he told them, आप लोग भी ये यज्ञ पूजा ये सब बंद करो. You are worshipping this Yajna Narayan, who I have never seen. आपने भी देखे नहीं. There are many people like that. They don't believe in Bhagavan because you have never seen him. Only when you see something, then you believe. But there are so many examples we can give you about things that are very real but you cannot see, and they're right in front of your face. You can't see this oxygen that you are breathing, but you believe it is real. You cannot see this signal that connects all of these phones, but you know it is there. You cannot see Bhagavan because हम योग्य नहीं हैं. We do not deserve to take his darshan at this point, but we know that he is there. The saints and sages tried to explain to Raja Vain, लेकिन किसी की बात माने नहीं. And then when he started to insult them, all of the saints and sages साथ में इन्होंने विचार किए. They decided to themselves, अगर कोई राक्षस होता है पृथ्वी लोक पे, if there is a demon, so then the devatas are responsible for killing that demon. लेकिन अगर हमारे राजा ही दुष्ट बन गए, if a human king has become the enemy of the people, so then the devatas will not intervene, and we cannot allow the citizens of this country to suffer anymore. साथ में मिल करके all of the saints and sages came together. हन्तायाम हन्तयामेश पापः प्रकृतिदारुण जीवयन् गदसावाशु कुरुते भस्मसाद्रुवम्. Kurute bhasmasadruvam. One of the rishis took a blade of grass and using a very powerful mantra, they sent this blade of grass like an arrow, and Raja Vain was killed where he stood. ये बहुत विचित्र कथा है बंधुओं. The saints and sages came together to kill the king of Prithvi Lok at that time. हमेशा ध्यान रखिए, it is not the job of the Brahmins, it is not the job of the Purohits and the saints and sages to protect Prithvi Lok. हमारे कार्य है धर्म की रक्षा करो. We are here to protect Satya Sanatan Dharma. And those who have been entrusted with this job, Kshatriya, the presidents, the prime minister, the police, ये इनकी धर्म है. But when they fail at their job, then the rishis, then the sadhus, then the Brahmins, then they have to intervene. However, having killed Raja Vain, this entire Prithvi Lok was without a ruler, and civil war erupted all over Bharat Lok. Chora prayam janapadam heen satvam rajakam lokakana varayan shaktapi tadesharanina. In all corners of Bharat Desh, Chora Prayam, thieves and groups of bandits started to roam freely. All of the other kings who were there, they started fighting amongst themselves. You have to remember the Singhasan of Dhruv and Raja Ang. They were the Chakravarti Samrat at that time in Bharat. So when they are removed and there is no king to succeed them, there is a power vacuum. There becomes a free-for-all as everyone starts to fight. All of the Brahmins, again, they came together and they decided, we had no choice but to kill Raja Vain but we cannot leave this Prithvi Lok without a master. So they all came together और बड़े यज्ञ करने लगे. The mother of Raja Ven, she had not performed his antyeshti. She had preserved his body. Using the body of Raja Ven, the saints and sages came together and started to perform a very special type of Agni Homam. We have many different new science and new technology in modern day. We have different techniques known as IVF to help people to get pregnant when they're struggling to get pregnant. But look at the power of the Shastras. Look at the technology that is possessed by the saints and sages. मरा हुआ शरीर से अब संतान प्राप्ति का फल मांग रहे हैं. From a body that has already died, they perform a special yajna to get progeny, to get santan, to get children from this body. When they perform this yajna, तो सबसे पहले तस्य वंशास्तु नैषादा गिरिकानन गोचरा. From the body of Raja Ven, a very short, a very dark, dwarf-looking being appeared, and he was given the name of Nishad. He symbolized all of the pap of Raja Ven. The Brahmins said to him, "Go into Banvas and live in the forest. You have no purpose here on Prithvi Lok." And again, they continued their yajna to get the son from the body of Raja Ven. Pay attention to the words of Vyasji, Bhagavan Shukadevji Maharaj. The son that they were expecting did not come right away because Raja Ven had committed lots and lots of pap. When you perform pap, bandhu, there are two ways that Bhagavan punishes you. One, your bhagya in your next life becomes very difficult. And two, the bhagya of your children also become very difficult. The sins of the parents are always transferred into difficulties faced by the children. Nishad, he was the dwarf son of Raja Ven, and he was sent to live in the forest. As they continued this yajna, and as they continued the manthan of the sharir of Raja Ven, तो फिर एक दिव्य प्रकाश प्रकट हो गए. A bright light started to shine, and as the rishis and saints continued with their powerful mantras, एष विष्णुर् भगवत कला भुवन पालिनी इयं च लक्ष्य संभूति पुरुषस्य न पयायिनी. बोल महाविष्णु भगवान की जय. एषा विष्णुर् भगवतः. A beautiful boy appeared out of this yajna, and all of the saints and sages became very happy. Esha Vishnur Bhagavata, as they recognized that this was the partial avatar of Bhagavan Shri Vishnu. Iyam cha Lakshmyaha Sambhuti. Lekin not only a balak, ek balika bhi pragat hui. A little girl was also born from this yajna. And all of the saints and sages realized that this was the partial avatar of Mata Lakshmi. Bola Lakshmi Narayan Bhagavan ki jai. Atra tu prathamo ragyam puman pratayita yasha pritur nama maharajo bhavishyati pridushrava. All of the great saints and sages proclaimed, let this young prince, let this young boy be known as Raja Prithu. Bolo Prithu Maharaj ki jai. As soon as he was born, everybody felt very relaxed. Everyone felt very confident. In this great line of Mahabhakta Dhruv, this descendant has now come when we have given him the name of Prithu. But Raja Prithu was very special. As they examined the body of this beautiful Sukumar Yuvraj, they saw a few very auspicious signs. 3-4 बहुत ही मंगल लक्षण देखे हैं. As they looked at his body, they saw with great astonishment that Brahma Jagat Guru Deve सहासूत्या सुरेश्वरे. सबसे पहले विधाता जी ब्रह्मा जी arrived there with all of the devatas and they all came to bless this child. और ब्रह्मा जी ने देखे वैन्यस्य दक्षिणे हस्ते दृष्टा चिह्रम गदावृता. As they give this child to Brahma ji and Brahma ji takes him into his arms, he observes that there are a few Mangal signs on his body. The first sign that they see, the mace of Bhagavan Vishnu, Gada. They see the imprint of a mace in the right hand of Prithuji. Padayor avindam cha tam vei mene hare kalam. As they look at the feet of Prithuji, on the soles of his feet, they see the mark of the lotus flower. Kamal pushpa ki chin laga hua hai. Have you ever seen any child born not with a birthmark? You see the physical shape of the lotus flower and the mace. Both of his feet have this mark. Yasya prahitam chakramanshu saparameshtina. ये भगवान श्री विष्णु की लक्षण है. Bhagavan Shri Vishnu is the one who is known as Chakshudarshan, the one who is known as Kamala Pushpa Jaise Netra. So when they saw these lotus flower imprints on the feet of Raja Prithu, everyone was very confident that this is the avatar of Bhagavan Shri Vishnu. Immediately at a very young age, they performed the Rajyabhishek of Raja Prithu. Tasya Bhisheka Aradho Brahmaner Brahmavadhivi Abhishechanika Yasma Ajahva Sarvato Jana. As they performed the Divya Rajyabhishek of Raja Prithu, all of the devatas came there and they all gave many, many different gifts to Prithuji. Everyone was very happy that again Bhagavan Shri Vishnu has come onto Prithvi Lok. Sambhavami Yuge Yuge. Many of us know only about the Mukhya Dasha avatar of Bhagavan Shri Vishnu, but there are many other avatars of Bhagavan Shri Vishnu और सबके वर्णन श्रीमद् भागवतम में उपलब्ध है. Raja Prithu was such a very powerful king. Next Sunday when I will tell you his katha, I will tell you the origin of why this lok, why this world is called Prithvi Lok. It is named Prithvi Lok because of Raja Prithu. As all of the devatas, as all of the kings from all over Bharat come for the Rajyabhishek, Dasha Chandram Sirudra Shata Chandram Tathambika. Many of them gave different gifts. Kuberji aaye, Kuberji gave a golden singhasan. Varunji came, Varunji gave a fan that would always spin and to always bring cool breeze. All of the devatas came. Pavan Dev came and gave him the gift of Gau Mata. Indra came and Indra presented him with a golden mukut, Swarna mukut diye hai. Brahma ji ne kavach diya, Ved kavach diya. And then Bhagavan Shri Vishnu himself came. Bhagavan Shri Vishnu ne Sudarshan Chakra pradan kiya. He gave him the Sudarshan Chakra and he says, hey Raja Prithu, as long as you are in Prithvi Lok, you will have this Sudarshan Chakra to use against all enemies of Adharam. Swayam Bhagavan Shiv Bholenath aaye, and when Bhagavan Shiv came, Bhagavan Shiv gave him a very powerful talwar. He gave him a great sword. Jagadambike Mata, she gave him a shield. With all of these powerful gifts, Antame Mata Prithvi aaye, the goddess of the earth, and she gave Raja Prithu a pair of wooden sandals. Accepting all of these gifts, Raja Prithu ne kaha, Bho Suta hai Magada Saumya, Vandilo ke dhuna prishta, Nusya me syat kima shrayo me, Stave shayojyatam. Raja Prithu ne kaha, Dharma sansthapanarthaya. Whenever there is a rise of adharam, the avatars of Bhagavan Vishnu come onto Prithvi Lok to re-establish what is right, what is good. From this Katha, devotees understand two things. First, it doesn't matter how powerful your family is, it doesn't matter what your ancestors have achieved. If you start to go on the path of adharam, so then you lose the kripa of Bhagavan, and then even the saints and sages, you lose the kripa of the Brahmins, your destruction is assured. When you commit these kinds of mahapap, your children have to suffer. That is the second thing that you need to understand from this katha. The first son of Raja Ven, Nishad, he had to go into Banvas. And then the third thing you must understand is, it doesn't matter how far we have fallen, it doesn't matter how desperate situation has become, Santon ki kripa se, with the kripa and the ashirvad of our Gurujan, with the saints and the sages, of the Brahmins, of Bhagavan Shri Hari, it is always possible to recover. Even the darkest night ends with Surya Bhagavan rising in the eastern side. Prithvi Lok, which was suffering so much, has again gotten a powerful king. As they all stand in front of Raja Prithu, sab stuti karne lage, they all start to sing to him, Hey Rajan, ab hum aapki sharan mein hai. The other thing you have to learn from this is, it doesn't matter how good your infrastructure is, it doesn't matter how powerful your organization is. If your leadership becomes weak, if your leadership becomes corrupt, agar Raja kamjor ho gaya, so then the entire country can fall. Sadhu Sant sab hai, mantri sab hai, praja sab hai. But when the king becomes evil, then the entire country falls into chaos. The entire country falls into civil war. Raja Prithu, he brings peace back to Bharat Desh. He brings tranquility back to Prithvi Lok. And all of the saints and sages, ati prasanna ho gaye. They become very happy as they enter into a new era of Sukh, Saubhagya, Sampatti, Aishwarya. Bolo Bharat Mata ki Jai, Prithu Maharaj ki Jai, Shriman Narayan Bhagavan ki Jai. This concept of Sharan is very important, Bandhu. When we cannot save ourselves, when we cannot help ourselves, then we look to our leaders, we look to the Brahmins, we look to Bhagavan, ki Hey Prabhu, hum aapki sharan mein hai. We are now in your sharan. आइए कथा को विश्राम देने के लिए let us all join and sing one more bhajan as we conclude this morning, as we offer prayers to Bhagavan Shri Vishnu जो बार बार पृथ्वी लोक को बचाते हैं. हे हरि, हे श्रीमन नारायण भगवान, हमको भी बचाइए भगवान. तेरी शरण में आके मैं धन्य हो गया. 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 जन्मों की प्यास दी जो, जन्मों की प्यास दी जो, संपन्न हो गया. तेरी शरण में आके मैं धन्य हो गया. तेरी शरण में आके मैं धन्य हो गया. दुख में तड़प रहा था प्रभु, मुझ तो से मैं सारा साकार हो गया। तेरी शरण में आके मैं धन्य हो गया। तेरी शरण में आके मैं धन्य हो गया। जन्मों की प्यास थी जो, जन्मों की प्यास थी जो संपन्न हो गया। तेरी शरण में आके मैं धन्य हो गया। तेरी शरण में आके मैं धन्य हो गया। राजा राम 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 राजा राम 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 राजा राम 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 राजा राम 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 ओ राजा राम 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 राजा राम राम ओ राजा राम 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 राजा राम राम ओ राजा राम 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 राजा राम राम राजा राम 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 राजा राम। बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की बोल कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की श्रीमद् भागवत भगवान की जय।